Hello, dear subscribers and guests of the channel. What is space? Space is an almost perfect vacuum, an airless space. Space is not a void. It is permeated with various radiations and also contains particles of gas, dust and other matter. From Earth, we can observe planets, stars, and galaxies that are within 46.5 billion light-years in any direction from our planet. This part of the cosmos is called the observable universe. The estimated age of the universe ranges from 11.4 to 13.8 billion years. Where does the cosmos begin? Space is everything that is outside the conventional line separating the Earth from outer space. There are different ways to determine exactly where space begins. The most universal reference point is the pocket line, which runs at an altitude of 100 kilometers above mean sea level. Starting from this point, the air becomes too thin for conventional aircraft to fly. The boundaries of outer space. The cosmos can be divided into several areas. They are determined by the magnetic fields and winds that dominate their boundaries. Near-Earth space is the area of space surrounding the Earth. It is located between the upper layers of the atmosphere and the farthest reaches of the Earth's magnetic field. Interplanetary space is a region of space located within the solar system. It is determined by the solar wind, which forms the heliosphere, a huge bubble inside which the Sun and planets are located. After the heliopause, the outer boundary of the heliosphere, interplanetary space becomes interstellar. Interstellar space is the physical space between star systems within a galaxy. It is filled with an interstellar medium that consists of gas and dust. Intergalactic space is the physical space between galaxies. It is very close to absolute vacuum, as it is free of dust and space debris. How does space work? According to scientists, the universe consists of three substances: normal matter, dark matter and dark energy. Normal matter. Normal or baryonic matter consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Everything that we can see consists of it: stars, planets, trees, animals, and people. Strangely enough, its share in the universe is extremely small, less than 5%. Dark matter. Dark matter does not emit or absorb light or energy, and therefore is completely invisible. Scientists assume that it consists of non-baryonic matter, WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, neutrinos and neutrinos. Despite the fact that dark matter cannot be seen, the results of observations allow astronomers to assume its existence. For example, studies of spiral galaxies have shown that they contain much more mass than can be observed visually. If dark matter did not exist, these galaxies would simply disintegrate, because the gravity of normal matter alone would not be enough to hold all the particles together. Dark matter is estimated to make up about 27% of the universe. Dark energy is a hypothetical form of energy that counteracts gravity. It moves space objects away from each other, whereas gravity, on the contrary, attracts them. Scientists have proposed the concept of dark energy to explain why the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. It has not yet been possible to determine the nature and origin of dark energy. In this case, dark means unexplored rather than truly invisible, as in the case of dark matter. According to various estimates, dark energy accounts for approximately 68% of the universe. The 5 most unusual objects in space. The deeper scientists dive into the unknown cosmos, the more unique objects and corners of the universe they discover. Here are some of the most prominent record holders of space. The coldest place in space. So far, the coldest place in the universe is considered to be the Boomerang Nebula. It is located in the constellation Centaurus, about 5,000 light-years from Earth. The temperature inside the nebula is -270 to C, just 1 degree short of absolute zero. The hottest place in space. Quasar 3C273 in the constellation Virgo is one of the hottest places in space. The temperature here reaches from 20 to 40 trillion degrees Celsius. By the way, 3C273 is not only the very first, but also the brightest among quasars. Its apparent brightness is 12.9. The oldest star in space. The age of the Methuselah star HD 140,283, HIP 76,976, is 16 billion years, which makes it the oldest star in space. Oddly enough, it is even older than the universe itself. Scientists are still figuring out how this is possible. The star is located in the constellation Libra, and it can be seen through binoculars. Its apparent brightness is 7.2. The largest object in space. The Great Wall of Hercules, the Northern Crown, is one of the largest objects in space. It stretches over 10 billion light-years and contains billions of galaxies. It is located 10 billion light-years away from us, in the direction of the constellations Hercules and the Northern Crown. The largest source of water in space. The largest reservoir of water in space contains 140 trillion times more water than all the oceans on our planet. This is a cloud of water vapor surrounding the quasar APMO 82795-55, which is located in the constellation of Lynx, at a distance of 12 billion light-years from us. The list of the most unusual objects in the universe can be endless. It can include a diamond planet, the only tailed planet in the solar system, and a celestial body on which a person is buried. Learn more about these space objects on my channel. Watch my channel and subscribe. You will learn a lot of new and interesting things. Click on the bell to be the first to watch new videos on the channel.